Hey guys and girls, and welcome back to the #1 channel on real estate. Now before we get started, be sure to hit that like button, and if you enjoy the video, make sure you subscribe to be a part of the Daily Hit family. Now let's get back to the video. Owning a home is one of the most important investments you'll make in your lifetime, but it's also one of the biggest financial commitments. Financing can be confusing, especially for single parents who are trying to buy a house with their children. There are so many different types of mortgages and loan options to choose from that it can get overwhelming. What if there was an easier way? We've created this video to help simplify the mortgage process for single parents buying homes with children. By following these 6 tips, you'll be well on your way to purchasing your new dream home. 6 mortgage tips for single home buyers with children. If you're a single parent, buying a house may be more difficult than if you're in a relationship with 2 incomes. However, it's easy to understand why so many single parents want to buy a home. Owning a house is an important component of building a secure financial future, just as finding the ideal kitchen and playroom. While buying a house may appear to be an increasingly unattainable dream for single parents and couples, most people are able to accomplish it. To assist you on your path, we spoke to professionals for pointers on how to get a great mortgage as a single parent. Number 1. Take advantage of the perks. Make sure to include any alimony and child benefit payments you receive when applying for a mortgage. The most significant advantage a single parent has against lenders is his or her benefits, according to David Clark, a lawyer and executive partner at the Clark Law Office in Lansing, Michigan. As a borrower, it's critical to demonstrate your ability to pay, so include all the money you get from child benefits, tax credits, and maintenance payments, as these all may be taken into account. Number 2. Remember the 25% rule. Single parents must carry their mortgage alone. This is why when looking for a property, it's essential to leave plenty of financial wiggle room. When shopping for a house, an affordability calculator can help you evaluate what monthly payments you can afford. As a single parent, you have more what-ifs to worry about, so it's critical to give your budget breathing room for unexpected expenses and extra childcare costs. According to consumer finance expert Andrea Warrock of Bakersfield, California, you should aim for your monthly mortgage, including taxes and insurance, to be around 25% of your income. In this manner, you'll have enough money left over to cover housing costs, kid costs, and still meet saving objectives, such as saving for retirement or college education. Number 3. If you can, make a substantial down payment. Making a significant down payment on a home may benefit anybody, regardless of their financial or life status. Getting a decent mortgage rate might be difficult for a single person, according to Kevin Miles, a finance analyst for Loan Advisor. Making a significant down payment will not only improve your chances of obtaining a good lender, but will also save you money on the interest portion of your loan. It will also lower the amount you pay each month in future payments. Miles adds that having a good credit score, with 740 plus being considered optimal, will improve your odds of getting a reasonable mortgage rate, because good credit lets lenders know that you can keep up with financial commitments. Number 4. Consider specialty loans or down payment assistance. Can't make a significant down payment? That's okay. You may be able to get loans that need far less than the usual 20% down payment as a single parent. A conforming or conventional loan may only require a 3% down payment with a mortgage insurance add-on. Andrina Valdez, the Chief Operating Officer at Cornerstone Home Lending in San Antonio, Texas, informs us. The United States Department of Agriculture is the source of one of the greatest loans for single parents, according to Stephen Carey, CEO and founder of Homebuyer Louisiana. The USDA loans are especially beneficial because they usually have low interest rates and don't require a down payment, says Carey. The catch? You'll have to make sure the property is within USDA-approved territory, he continues. It also necessitates an upfront mortgage insurance premium, but it's far less than many other premiums. And if you're a teacher, firefighter, EMT, or member of law enforcement, Valdez says the Good Neighbor Next Door program can get you up to 50% off on a foreclosed home. Number 5. Look for local loans. Find a local lender, no matter what kind of loan you're looking for. Working with a mortgage professional who is based in your area might be quite beneficial, says Michael Belfour, a mortgage banker and branch manager at American Pacific Mortgage in San Francisco. There are so many internet platforms that seem to offer good rates, but which utilize loan officers who aren't in the region or employ call centers that may be out of the market. This might make correctly determining market-specific specifics difficult. Number 6. Beware of adjustable rates and multiple applications. Interest rates are expected to be increased by the Federal Reserve in the near future, so getting a mortgage with a fixed rate is essential. A 30-year fixed mortgage will allow a single person with kids to precisely predict their monthly expenditures, according to Nick Janowski, worldwide real estate advisor at Premier Sotheby's International Realty in St. Petersburg, Florida. You should be wary of the prepayment penalties as well. These are fees that the lender would charge you for selling your property within a certain period of time. One of the most important things to remember is that you never want to apply for multiple mortgages with different lenders in order to get the best deal, Janofsky adds. They pull your credit each time you submit an application, which lowers your credit score. Buying a home is already challenging, but when you're doing it as a single parent with children, it can feel downright daunting. However, there are plenty of tips and tricks to make the process easier. You just need to know where to look. In this video, we've outlined 6 mortgage tips specifically for single home buyers with children. Follow these guidelines and you'll be on your way to owning your dream home in no time.